Dear students, welcome to another training session of QuickBooks Enterprise 2024. In this class, you will learn three new things. Number one, how to create new customer account in QuickBooks. Number two, how to create new supplier accounts in QuickBooks. And number three, if you have customers data and suppliers data in Excel format, how you can import that data in QuickBooks. Let's start. First of all, we will see how to create new customers in QuickBooks. For this purpose, just come back to the QuickBooks window, and on this screen you can see on the left hand side you have my shortcuts list. For the home screen, for my company, calendar, snapshot, and the customers. Just click on the customers. So it will open for you the main screen for the customer center. Here all the things for the customer you can do, for invoicing, for creating new customer, for payments. You can use this screen. So here on the top of this screen you can see one option is there, new customer and job. So you will just click on the drop down arrow, and here the first option, new customer. Choose this option. It will open for you one form. So fill this form. Like my customer is Smart Care LLC. Okay. When I press tab, it will come here to the opening balance. If I have any opening balance from the old software, for this customer I will mention, like suppose I said I have to pay receivable from this customer 5050 dirham, and this balance as of which date I can mention that today is 19 August 2024. So this is the date I have this balance receivable from this customer. And next, the currency, which currency I am using for this customer is dirham. Okay, then here the company name also the same. If I have any detail for the contacting person, I can mention here that Mr. Arafat, what is his mobile number, okay, his job title like accountant, and the main phone 0656265331. Then email address, anything, all these details I will fill it. Okay, so how I want that this customer it should show the name of this customer on the invoice. I can, if I want to mention anything else other than the customer name on the invoice, like I want to mention his tax registration number, so I will add here 10001652336. So like this I will add, and the shipping address also the same, so copy to the shipping address. Okay, then just I will save it. Are you sure you want to change the transaction? Yes. So now you can see this customer is available in the customer center with a balance, receivable balance of 5050, and the currency is for this customer dirham. Okay, so like this you can create a new customer. Next thing we will discuss how to create new supplier accounts in QuickBooks. So again, come back to QuickBooks main window. So here close this customer center, and same on the left hand side there is shortcuts available. You will find a shortcut for vendor center. So just click on the vendors. So it will open for you the window for the vendor center. So here already we have one supplier and one tax agent, also we have Federal Tax Authority. So we will just create a new supplier. So on the top of the screen you will find one window for the new vendor. Okay, just click here. I will create a new vendor with the name Ahmed General Trading LLC. And for this supplier, when I press tab, so it will come to the opening balance. If anything payable on today date for this supplier, so I will add the balance that 1085 dirham I have payable to this supplier. Okay, so in the address information, company name, I will paste the same again. If we have any name for the contacting person like Bilal, I have here, and his title is marketing manager. The main phone 05553565641 So this is his contact number. And again, if I want to add his tax registration number or anything else, his business address, so I can enter here like Dubai, his address, and his tax registration, make it short, is 10005365781. So I will copy this, ship from also same. Okay, then save it. So now you can see this supplier is available in our supplier center, vendor center screen with a balance of 1085 dirham payable. Okay, so like this you can create new supplier also. Now we will see that if we have customer data in Excel format, how we will import that data in QuickBooks. As you can see, we have here in front of us one Excel file that contains customers data. So we have here the company name or the customer name and the name to be printed on the invoice, and its address, in which city this customer, Ajman, Dubai, or then we have the closing balance for each customer. For the closing balance and the amounts what we have here in Excel, just make sure that you have the format of the amount. If you go to the format cells, keep it as general. If you change this as number or currency, so it will give error when you are exporting. So just keep the format as general for all the amounts what you have in Excel. Just press OK. Now come back to QuickBooks. Here in the list menu, go to add edit multiple entry list. So it will open for you the import data wizard, and here on the top of this list you have already selected customers. Okay, so just keep it as it is, and then you have to come here and modify the column names, customize the columns. So what columns you have in Excel? For this Excel sheet, we have the company name to be printed on invoice, its area, and the balance. So same should be here. We should have here in QuickBooks. If any of the column missing, you can add from here, like currency or anything else what you have in Excel. It's contact person name, the phone number, anything you can add from here. Okay, and also you can remove from here the extra columns. So I have already modified this as per my requirement. So name, company name, the bill to means its area where it is located, this customer, and the customer balance. So all these 4 columns we have in Excel, and all we have customized these columns in QuickBooks also. So just press OK, then come to the first left blank cell. When your mouse is blinking here, just go back to your Excel sheet, select all the data without the headings and the total down. Also skip this one. Then Control C, copy this data, come back to QuickBooks, and here just press Control V to paste all the records. So as you can see, whatever we have in Excel, all these records are pasted now in this customer import wizard. And then just I will press Save Changes and see 33 customer records have been saved. So just to verify these customers, I will close this window, come back to the customer center again, and you can see all of these customers are available here. Okay, so like this you can import all of the customers data from Excel to QuickBooks. The last thing what we will learn here in this lecture is how to import suppliers data. So we have here one Excel file for the suppliers data. As you can see here, we have almost 13 suppliers, and the first column is for the business name and name to be printed on their bill, invoice, and the amount. So this again, double check that, select all the amounts, go to format cells, and make sure that the format of the amount is as general. If it is saved as number or currency, it will give error while you are importing the data. So just keep it as general and click OK. So now you will just go back to QuickBooks, and you will see here that just come back again to the list and edit multiple entry list. From here, from customers, you will just choose the vendors. We have here already 3 vendors, but we have some extra columns here, like contact person, first name, middle name, last name, phone number, alternate phone number. So all these columns we do not have in Excel, so we need to customize the columns. Just go to this Mr. and Miss we don't need, remove it. First name remove, all of these things remove. We have in our Excel the supplier name, its name on the bill, and the its closing balance. So these 3 things we need also in QuickBooks. So vendor name is there, name as per the bill also there. So just opening balance we will add, okay, for this supplier. Then click OK. Opening balance as on, no, sorry, this we have selected the date. This we do not need, we just need the vendor balance. Add. Okay, so now we have here the vendor name, its name as per the bill, and its balance, vendor balance. Just come to the first cell, blank cell, then go back to Excel file, select your data without the headers and the bottom total, also ignore it. Control C to copy the data, and come back to QuickBooks and click here, and then Control V to paste all of this data here. Now you see all of this data from Excel, it is pasted in QuickBooks. Just save the changes. So 13 vendors record has been saved. Okay, just close this, and if we go to the vendor center, we will find all of these vendors with their balances available here. Okay, the currency and the balances, everything is there. So like this you can import suppliers data also. Another important thing I will like to explain you here, that if you go to this edit multiple entry list, here this screen is not only to add something, it is also to edit. Like if you want to edit this customer, okay, this its address is not in Dubai, it's Ajman, so you can edit here. Okay, then its balance. If anything else you want to change, like you want to change the customer balance, also you can add it here, or their phone number or anything. So like I want to add this phone number also, 06. If you want to edit multiple entry lists, this window also can be used for this purpose. Okay, so like this also, this not Sharjah, I want to change its address to Dubai, they have shifted. This also Al Zaman stores, this also I will change to Dubai. Okay, then if I change, all of these records will be changed. So like this I can change multiple customers records here, I can edit multiple vendor records here, I can edit multiple inventory parts here. So like this, a lot of things you can do in this window. So this is very helpful. I hope you have perfectly learned all the things we have discussed in this session. If you find this course beneficial, give this course 5-star rating and share it with your friends. Thank you.